Huge manipulation after a crazy pump and dump on Bitcoin, the king of assets yesterday. Guys, my goodness me, what is actually going on in the market? And if you guys saw this video that I shared with you down here, Bitcoin manipulation, do not be fooled. These people are manipulating whether you like it or not, okay? I listened to a crazy interview from Larry Fink last night on the Paul Barron Network. It was insane, guys. The man is super bullish and super positive, not only on Bitcoin, but the entire crypto space. So if you guys believe that Bitcoin is going to continue to go down, then I don't know what you're going through right now, because at the end of the day, we're actually seeing more and more bullish activity coming through the space. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show, guys. I'm Kiara Cass. Thank you for being here with me today on this video. I truly appreciate every single last one of you. If you're watching the video and the channel and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription bell, hit that notification bell so that you know when I make videos and content like this for you, because there's crazy stuff that's busy happening out there, and I am sharing with you some of the greatest stuff that you guys need to know. So with that being said, let's delve right into this, guys. So first of all, Bitcoin jumped yesterday to a 30K, then dumps as false spot ETF. So this is from CoinDesk, okay? Because Cointelegraph actually didn't come out with the article as to say, you know, what they did or what actually happened. So here is a video on what happened. So CoinGlass data shows that $72 million worth of short positions were liquidated on the move to 30,000, and $31 million in longs were liquidated during the correction. So I hope you weren't one of those people that got liquidated in this position. You know, especially you would get liquidated if you're using high leverage, but if you're not using high leverage, then you wouldn't have got liquidated. I didn't get liquidated, and I'm using low leverage, guys. This is what I mean. You got to start off your trade with low leverage, especially if you're doing long-term outlooking trades. Start off on low leverage and then build the leverage up as you break through the important levels. And for Bitcoin right now, that is the 31,000 level, guys. Okay, so you know, this is crazy, guys. I mean, you saw what happened out here, but we apologize for a tweet that led to a dissemination of inaccurate information. You know, they said that they were going to share more information. I don't believe they did share any more information, so that's why a lot of people call them Cointelegraph. But hey, I'm not judging. I'm not sharing my views, opinions. I'm just saying what the market says. And some little bit of side news: FTX customers could get about 9 billion. Shortfall claim payout by mid-2024, which is actually really good. So did you guys know that the US government is amongst the largest, one of the largest Bitcoin holders with over 5 billion in BTC? That's just a little bit more than what Mr. MicroStrategy has, just by the way. Okay, so this has happened because of three major seizures that were linked to Bitfinex hack, Silk Road, and meaning the actual holdings could be much larger. So we don't actually know, but here is the Bitcoin holdings. Now, guys, we're wondering, the US government is holding Bitcoin, one of the biggest holders of Bitcoin. Why have they not launched the spot Bitcoin ETF then yet? Okay, especially when governments and parliament have higher powers or authorization over cryptocurrency, guys. This is huge manipulation, and you guys can see this already. So whether the tweet was launched purposefully, the employee of Cointelegraph made some bucks and Cointelegraph got us, who knows? I don't know. And quite frankly, I don't care. I wasn't affected by it. And I hope that you, if you're watching this, that you weren't affected by it either. But basically, this is the Bitfinex hack. They got 44% of their coins from there. The Silk Road individuals that's how much they took. And then Silk Road James, from the owner of Silk Road, basically took that amount from him. So guys, they now own, so the Bitfinex hack seizure was about 94,500 BTC. The Silk Road seizure was about 70,000 BTC. And James Zong was about 51,000 BTC that they basically took into their holdings and their pockets, guys. So that is massive. Considering that Bitcoin, they own 200,000, just shy of 200,000 of the Bitcoin out of the 21 million, guys. That is about 1%. The American government owns about 1% of the supply of Bitcoin. That is huge, guys. They can cause drastic manipulation on this as it happens. They can make the price run or dump, okay? And they could hold the Bitcoin price down by selling off at the 30,000 level, just pieces and pieces and pieces, so that it remains low until the spot BTF, Bitcoin spot ETF has been actually approved and accepted. At that point, institutions will come in and American government will get a front run. Now, guys, if American government owns this many BTC, I would like to do a conversion for you on here. So let's go into this, okay? Because into crypto scenarios. Where's Bitcoin? Okay, give me a moment here, guys. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin. Hello. There you go. It's loading. Okay, because if they were to sell each of those Bitcoin, okay, at $1 million, like Kathy is basically saying, Kathy Wood, okay, they would be then essentially, let's go see here, crypto scenario price. So we're saying $1 million per Bitcoin, okay? Sorry, it's $10 million, okay? We're saying $1 million per Bitcoin. And if they own, I'm just rounding it off to 200,000 here, guys, for the sake of this video, okay? Please don't hold me to it. They're 5 billion, okay, right now would be worth then $200 billion at a $1 million price, okay? What do you guys think about that? Okay, that is gigantic. Now, cool, bearing in mind that we've heard some people say that it could hit 10 million. If they had 10 million, they would then get themselves 2 trillion. If Bitcoin went up to $100 million a Bitcoin by 2033, perhaps the American government, if they don't continue to print the way they're printing, they may be able to substantially get rid of some of their debt and stabilize their economy once again. Now, this is very smart thinking from the American government, and that's why there's a lot of secrets, guys. This is just my view about what's going on. I don't actually know the real scenario, but I'm just pointing out something to you that if this had to hit this and they got just holding 200,000 Bitcoin and they sell it off all at $100 million, okay, we're literally looking at a $20 trillion return on investment. They would literally get rid of their US debt clock like this, boom, half of it gone. But that's excluding the fact that they're still going to be printing between now and then. And the printing amount is probably going to be absolutely gigantic. So, guys, huge manipulation. I'm not going to show you this little video. Yesterday in the Bitcoin chart, you guys saw here, the Bitcoin dominance is busy pumping. It's busy tapping on here. Bitcoin dominance is going up, guys. Whether you like it or not, whether you think it is or not, it is going up. Now, the Bitcoin price, as you can see here, it's retraced a little bit for the day. And guess what? It retraced above the 200 moving average. And this is what I said to you guys yesterday, is that we actually need to close this candle, this daily candle body above the 200 moving average. And guess what? We did. Tick. Guess what? Your RSI is moving up. Tick. Volume is increasing. Tick. Okay. We've broken out. We retested and we're pulling back up. Tick. That's 4 ticks that I always talk to you guys about getting into long positions and bullish scenario cases. So it is undoubtedly, irrefutably, okay. Where's my channel? It's undoubtedly and irrefutably evident that Bitcoin is the king of assets on this planet. Better than gold, better than property, better than any other asset that you have ever thought of, heard of, or can create. Okay. And that, you need to watch that video to make sure that you guys see that content right there. So with that being said, having a look at the Dixie is on its way down, guys. I said this to you guys before. Here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking juicy. Here is another Bitcoin chart for you guys. Look at this. This is the Coinbase. We're tapping on there. It's the same thing, guys. We are undoubtedly going long. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to trade with me, make sure to hit my Bitflex link down, put in the comment of this video just for you beautiful souls, as well as my Bitflex link, my Bybit link down there, also pinned there for you guys. Thank you for being here with me on the channel on this video, a very short video on manipulation and protecting your crypto assets, because as we can see, we're being fooled and we're being lied to. Okay, you can see the scenarios that are unfolding. Who knows what their actual agenda is, but the spot Bitcoin ETF undoubtedly is around the corner. We have half of October left. November, December, January, February, March, April. We have 6 months left at the absolute most until Bitcoin perhaps makes a huge pop. Thank you for being here. Love you all. Make sure to like the video. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe to the channel if you're not part of the community yet. And of course, if you didn't like the video, smash the thumbs down button. That's also okay. I don't mind. Love you all. Make sure to check this one out. This was just as good as this one. Love you all. See you on the next one. Bless the souls.